Hi, how you doing? Justin here. In this lesson, I'm going to be talking about a really basic picking exercise to get you used to the idea of picking one string at a time, because we're about to start looking at both a strumming pattern that involves picking one note at a time and also picking out your first scale. So just as a little kind of precursor to that, I want to show you a really good little exercise just to get used to the idea of picking one string at a time, because so far all we've done is strumming. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a down pick on every string, an up pick on every string, then a down and an up pick on every string, and then down, up on every string. Now, a really important technique that you want to get used to first is this idea of an anchor, which is putting your little finger down just at the bottom of underneath the strings near the thinnest string. It doesn't have to be rigid, it's not supposed to be straight, it can be a little bit curved, it can be relaxed, it's just about it touching. Now, there's a lot of debate in the guitar community as to whether using an anchor for picking is a good idea or not. I do it. Most of the guys that I know that I really like have use a little finger anchor, but there are some really fantastic guitar players that don't. So a little bit it's down to your preference. What I'd recommend is that you start by using an anchor with your little finger, see how you get on, and if you don't, then maybe try another method. But I think this is the method that works for most people most of the time, but it's definitely not the only way. And so, you know, if you've learned another way, or you know a great guitar player, or your favorite guitar player does it another way, then feel free to do it whatever way you like. Just, I would recommend this way as a starting point. So, put your little finger anchor down the bottom there, and then what we're going to do, we're just going to pick each string with a down motion. Now, I'm going to leave my hands covering on the guitar neck like this, just so all the strings are dead, because I don't want them ringing out, because it sounds horrible when you've got all of the strings ringing out. And this way as well, you can kind of practice if your partner or your parents or whatever are watching television. You can probably get away with doing this little picking exercise without getting on their, giving them the heebie-jeebies. So let's have a look at doing this. So exercise part 1 will be all down picks. So just picking from the thickest string, 5th string, 4, 3, 2, 1, back down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe do that one again. Then all up picks. Up, up. So just getting used to what it feels like to be doing an up pick each time, leaving your little finger anchor down all the time. Let's do that one again. You do this as slowly as you feel like to get it accurate, because accuracy is the key here, not doing it fast. Then we'll do a down and an up on each note. So down, up, next string, down, up, next string, down, up, next string, and down, up. If you can, try and do it evenly like I'm just doing here, where you're going down, up, down, up, down. It's almost like, you could do it with a metronome if you wanted to, but maybe at this early stage it's better just to be doing it as an exercise, because all I'm trying to get you used to is the picking. And then we're going to lastly do 4 picks on each note. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, and nearly finished. Now this is a really super simple picking exercise. It's not one that you're going to be doing for very long, just maybe a few weeks or whatever, until you get to the next stage and we start looking at more creative ways of practicing your picking and learning your scale at the same time. But it works as a really good little introduction just to get used to the idea of using the anchor and of getting your picking single strings kind of just under your fingers, so it doesn't feel too foreign when we start playing scales. So I hope you find that a helpful little exercise, and I'll see you for another lesson sometime real soon. Bye bye.